Hello everyone, I'm Lebo Thubisi, Head of Manager Research at Forbes Investments. This video aims to inform you about the themes for asset manager research in 2018. The first theme being South African fundamentals weakening. This comes from the rand weakening considerably against the US dollar in 2018. Amid the economic issues that South Africa faces, it is difficult to see local equity returns prospering in the short term. Locally, these issues include weak business confidence, constrained consumer spending due to high taxes, fuel prices, and political uncertainty. Accordingly, asset managers seek defensive positioning by investing in South African companies with offshore earnings, strong cash flow generation, and steady dividend yields as the rand weakens against major developed countries. The second thing being value opportunities presented in the South African equities market. Retail and financial sectors within the JSE display attractive opportunities given that these sectors have weakened for some time and trade below their long-term price earnings multiples. Value asset managers have selectively added equities where shares display decent dividend yields, compelling valuations, and a reasonable prospect of forward earnings. These include the likes of local banks, which have remained resilient. Asset managers prefer food retailers such as Pick n Pay, while steering clear of retailers such as Foschini, which could be impacted by weakened consumer spending. The third theme being global market valuations. Asset managers appear to favor offshore equities over local equities based on the opportunities that they present. However, they have cited US equities as reaching peak valuations, signaling an end to a long-term bull market. Regions such as Germany and Japan and emerging markets such as China and South Korea present attractive opportunities. Global interest rates are set to rise after being depressed for a decade. Therefore, asset managers proceed with caution to US equities and developed market sovereign bonds. Some have chosen to search for yield in investment-grade US and EU corporate debt. The fourth theme being trade war concerns. The third quarter of 2018 saw an escalation of trade wars between the United States and China. Investor risk aversion to emerging market persists under these continued threats. This impacts the price of commodities and in the short term creates volatility in the resources sector of the JSE. Asset managers sought to hold resources shares with global revenue streams and healthy dividend yields. These include shares such as Anglo American, BHP Billiton, Sasol, Sappi, and Exxaro. While asset managers face these challenges, which make it difficult to withstand the short term, we encourage you to stick to your long-term investment strategy because not doing so has proven to destroy the value of an investment over time. From me and all of us at Forbes Investments, goodbye and have a great week.